Welcome. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence can transform your writing process. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative writer, AI tools are now more accessible than ever and can help you write faster, clearer, and with more confidence. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to use AI to improve your writing, from brainstorming ideas to polishing your final draft. Let's start by understanding what AI writing tools are and why they're becoming essential in today's digital world. AI writing tools are software programs powered by artificial intelligence that assist with various aspects of writing. These tools can generate ideas, suggest better word choices, correct grammar, and even help structure your content. Popular examples include Grammarly, ChatGPT, and Jasper. By leveraging natural language processing and machine learning, these tools understand your writing style and offer personalized suggestions. Let's look at how these tools work and what makes them so effective for writers of all levels. One of the biggest challenges in writing is coming up with fresh ideas. AI can help by generating topic suggestions, outlining main points, or even providing creative prompts. For example, you can ask an AI tool to suggest blog post topics or help you brainstorm storylines for a novel. This not only saves time but also sparks creativity, helping you overcome writer's block. With AI, you'll never run out of inspiration, no matter what you're writing. After brainstorming, organizing your ideas is crucial. AI tools can help you create outlines, arrange your thoughts logically, and ensure your writing flows smoothly. Some platforms can automatically generate structured outlines based on your input, making it easier to start writing. This organization step is essential for essays, reports, and even creative writing, as it provides a clear roadmap for your work. When it's time to write your first draft, AI can be a valuable partner. Some tools can generate entire paragraphs or suggest sentences based on your outline. This helps you get your ideas down quickly without worrying about perfection. You can focus on your message, while the AI handles grammar and style suggestions in real time. This collaborative approach makes drafting less intimidating and more productive. One of the most common uses of AI in writing is grammar and spelling correction. Tools like Grammarly scan your text for errors and offer instant corrections. They also explain why a change is suggested, helping you learn and avoid similar mistakes in the future. This not only polishes your writing, but also builds your language skills over time. AI tools can suggest synonyms and alternative phrases to make your writing more engaging. By analyzing your text, these tools recommend words that fit your context and tone. This helps you avoid repetition and express your ideas more vividly. Over time, you'll notice your vocabulary expanding as you incorporate these suggestions into your writing. The tone and style of your writing are important for connecting with your audience. AI tools can analyze your text and suggest adjustments to match your intended tone, whether it's formal, friendly, or persuasive. This feature is especially useful for business emails, academic papers, or creative writing, ensuring your message is received as you intend. Originality is key in writing. Many AI tools include plagiarism checkers that scan your work against billions of sources online. This ensures your content is unique and properly cited. Using these tools helps you maintain academic integrity and avoid unintentional copying, which is crucial for students and professionals alike. Editing is where your writing truly shines. AI-powered editors can highlight unclear sentences, suggest better transitions, and point out inconsistencies. These tools act as a second pair of eyes, catching mistakes you might miss. By following their suggestions, you can refine your work and ensure it's polished before sharing or publishing. Proper formatting makes your writing easier to read and more professional. AI tools can help with headings, bullet points, and consistent font usage. Some platforms even format citations and references automatically. This saves time and ensures your document meets academic or professional standards. If you write in multiple languages or need to reach a global audience, AI translation tools can be a game changer. These tools translate your text accurately and quickly, preserving the original meaning and tone. This is especially useful for international business, academic research, or creative projects that cross language barriers. AI can quickly summarize long articles, reports, or research papers, giving you the main points in seconds. This is helpful for students reviewing study materials or professionals needing to digest information fast. By using AI summarization tools, you can save time and focus on what matters most. Citing sources correctly is essential in academic and professional writing. AI tools can generate citations in various formats, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago, based on the information you provide. This reduces errors and ensures your references are consistent and accurate. AI can tailor your writing to specific audiences by analyzing reader preferences and suggesting adjustments. For example, it can help you write more formally for business or more casually for social media. This personalization increases engagement and ensures your message resonates with your target audience. Think of AI as your writing partner. You can interact with AI tools by asking questions, requesting feedback, or even co-writing content. This collaboration makes the writing process more interactive and less lonely, especially for solo writers. AI can provide instant feedback, helping you improve with every draft. Every time you use an AI writing tool, you have an opportunity to learn. Pay attention to the suggestions and explanations provided. Over time, you'll notice patterns in your mistakes and gradually improve your writing skills. AI doesn't just fix errors, it teaches you to become a better writer. Stuck on a sentence or unsure how to continue? AI can help you get unstuck by suggesting ways to move forward. Whether you need a new angle, a transition, or just a fresh sentence, AI tools can provide the nudge you need to keep writing. This support is invaluable during tough writing sessions. AI writing tools are versatile and can adapt to various genres, from academic essays to creative fiction. By selecting the right settings or prompts, you can guide the AI to match the style and format you need. This flexibility makes AI a valuable resource for any type of writing project. One of the biggest advantages of using AI is the time you save. From drafting to editing, AI speeds up every stage of the writing process. This allows you to focus on your ideas and creativity rather than getting bogged down by technical details. The result is faster, more efficient writing. Knowing that AI is there to support you can boost your confidence as a writer. You can experiment with new styles, tackle challenging topics, and share your work more freely, knowing you have a reliable tool to catch mistakes and suggest improvements. This encouragement can help you grow as a writer. Most AI writing tools allow you to customize settings to fit your needs. You can adjust the level of formality, choose preferred writing styles, and set goals for tone or length. Taking the time to personalize these settings ensures the AI's suggestions align with your unique voice and objectives. To get the most out of AI, integrate it into your regular writing routine. Use AI tools at each stage: brainstorming, drafting, editing, and final review. Many platforms offer browser extensions or plugins, making it easy to access AI support wherever you write, whether it's in Word, Google Docs, or email. Writing on the go is easier than ever with mobile AI writing apps. These apps offer many of the same features as desktop tools, including grammar checks, suggestions, and even voice-to-text capabilities. This flexibility lets you capture ideas and edit content anytime, anywhere. Many AI writing tools now include voice-to-text features, allowing you to dictate your thoughts and have them transcribed instantly. This is especially helpful for those who think better out loud or have difficulty typing. Voice-to-text can speed up the drafting process and make writing more accessible. AI isn't just for academic or business writing. Creative writers can use AI to generate character names, plot twists, or even entire story arcs. By collaborating with AI, you can push the boundaries of your imagination and discover new directions for your stories. Students and researchers can benefit greatly from AI writing tools. These tools help with structuring essays, checking citations, and ensuring academic tone. By using AI, you can produce well-organized, properly referenced papers that meet academic standards. In the business world, clear and professional communication is essential. AI tools can help you write effective emails, reports, and proposals. They ensure your writing is concise, error-free, and tailored to your audience, saving time and improving results. Social media requires catchy, concise writing. AI tools can help you craft engaging posts, generate hashtags, and optimize your content for different platforms. This ensures your message stands out and reaches the right audience. Marketers can use AI to write compelling ad copy, product descriptions, and email campaigns. AI analyzes what works best for your audience and suggests phrases that drive engagement and sales. This data-driven approach leads to more effective marketing materials. Technical writers can benefit from AI by simplifying complex information and ensuring accuracy. AI tools can help structure manuals, check for consistency, and clarify instructions, making technical documents easier to understand for all readers. Bloggers can use AI to generate post ideas, optimize SEO, and edit drafts. AI tools analyze trending topics and suggest keywords to help your blog reach a wider audience. They also ensure your posts are well-structured and engaging. Writing effective emails is easier with AI. These tools help you craft clear subject lines, organize your message, and check for tone. They can even suggest responses, making email communication faster and more efficient. Job seekers can use AI to create professional resumes and cover letters. AI tools suggest the best formats, highlight key skills, and ensure your documents are error-free. This increases your chances of standing out to employers. Scriptwriters can use AI to develop dialogue, plot structure, and scene descriptions. AI can suggest natural-sounding conversations and help organize your script for film, TV, or video content. This streamlines the creative process and helps you produce professional scripts. Journalists can use AI to draft news articles, check facts, and ensure clarity. AI tools can quickly summarize events, suggest headlines, and verify information, making the news writing process faster and more accurate. Grant writers can use AI to structure proposals, ensure clarity, and check for completeness. AI tools help you follow guidelines, highlight key points, and avoid common mistakes, increasing your chances of securing funding. Legal professionals can use AI to draft contracts, review documents, and check for compliance. AI tools ensure legal language is precise and consistent, reducing the risk of errors and saving valuable time. Scientists and researchers can use AI to organize research papers, check for clarity, and ensure proper citation. AI tools help structure complex information and make scientific writing more accessible to a wider audience. Even for personal journaling, AI can help you reflect and organize your thoughts. Some apps offer prompts, track your mood, and suggest ways to express your feelings. This makes journaling more engaging and insightful. While AI is a powerful tool, it's important to use it ethically. Always review AI-generated content for accuracy and originality. Avoid relying solely on AI for sensitive or confidential writing, and make sure to give credit where it's due. Responsible use ensures AI remains a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your unique voice. AI writing tools are impressive, but they have limitations. They may not fully understand context, cultural nuances, or complex emotions. Always use your judgment and creativity to review and refine AI suggestions. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your writing, not replace your unique perspective. The future of AI in writing is bright. As technology advances, AI tools will become even more sophisticated, offering deeper insights and more personalized support. Writers will have access to smarter assistants that understand their needs and help them reach new heights of creativity and clarity. Ready to try AI for your writing? Start by choosing a reputable tool that fits your needs. Experiment with different features, and don't be afraid to ask the AI for help at any stage. The more you use these tools, the more comfortable and effective you'll become at integrating AI into your writing process. In summary, AI can be a powerful ally in your writing journey. From brainstorming to editing, these tools offer support, save time, and help you grow as a writer. Embrace AI as a partner, not a replacement, and use it to unlock your full potential. Happy writing.